The more you chase a woman, the faster you lose her. The more you treat a woman better than yourself, the more she thinks you don't deserve her. The more you love her, the easier it is for her to treat you like trash and dump you. With women, it's never about doing more for her. It's about her doing more for you. Relationships and marriages work better when the woman, 1. Love the man more than the man loves her. 2. When the woman chases the man, while the man chases his purpose. Anything out of this formula will end up in total destruction. It's the game. You can't blame the players, blame the game. Women are just naturally built that way. The only time you should chase a woman is when you are wooing her. After she is accepted, you need to stop chasing her and focus 70% on chasing your goals and becoming a better version of yourself. Any woman you are busy chasing will in turn end up chasing another man. That is not chasing her. Don't kill yourself. Focus all your energy on getting a better life for yourself. Be wise. Stay Putinized. The mission of Brave Mind is to inspire and improve people's lives. Join us on our journey by following the community with premium content.